In this video, we will discuss about the project. So we are going to create one highly available website, and this website will be hosted using Elastic Load Balancer, and the load balancer will be spreading across two availability zones. So we will have a subnet in each availability zone, and apart from that, we will use auto scaling so that in case of some node of the elastic load balancer is failed, the auto scaling group will roll up a new instance so as to compensate the failed node. So let's begin working on this highly available website project. So first of all, let me tell you, I have logged into Singapore zone, and I will go to VPC, and first I will create two subnets for this purpose. If I see here, we already have two subnets. One is in AP Southeast 1A and another one is in AP Southeast 1B. So that's great. We already have two subnets in two availability zones. So no need to create this. Now the second part is we have to create a security group which will allow the RDP connections and HTTP connections. So I will go to EC2. We can create security group from VPC as well, but I will go to EC2 and I'll select security groups, and I will create a new security group. So let's name this security group as ELB auto scaling. Put the same in the description, and we will add two inbound ports. One is for HTTP. It will allow all the connections anywhere, and the second one will be RDP connections. So I'll select RDP, and this will also will allow from anywhere. Actually, this is not the recommended source. If we are working in a production environment, we will provide the subnet range of our LAN network, so that only the people who are in the private LAN will be able to access the website, or the people who are concerned will be able to access the website. But in this case, since I will be testing from anywhere, so I just put the source as anywhere. Now I will create the security group. So the security group is created. Now I will go to instances. Now we have to create one instance, or I would say I will create a AMI first. I will create a custom AMI which will be having the IIS role installed, IIS feature installed already, so that in auto scaling, whenever the new instances are launched, they will be having the web service role. Let's begin. We will create an instance first, and then we will create an image out of that. I will show you how to create that. So I'm selecting the free tier. Let me click on that. So I'm selecting Microsoft Windows Server 2012 base at 64-bit. Let's select the R2 version. Okay, so it's general purpose T2 micro ABS volume. We'll go to other properties. Network is VPC is default. Subnet anywhere it's fine right now. Subnet setting is enabled. Domain join not required, IAM role not required, shutdown behavior stop, that is fine. And in advanced details, we can put the script to install IS role. So I'll just use this PowerShell command and I will inbuilt it so that while launching the server, the server role will be installed on this server. So this is known as bootstrapping. Now I'll add a storage, so it's 30 gig. That's fine. Tags, I don't want to tag right now. Security groups. So I will select the security group that we have created. It's ELB auto scaling. It will allow port 80 and port 3389 for RDP. So now fine, everything is looking good. It's giving you a warning that your security group is open to the world. So as I already told, this is not a secure configuration. In production environment, we should allow only the subnets which need to access the website. So that we will do in our production environment. But as of now, we will go with ELB this configuration.